Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown in this video to slow it down. To start, you'll need to download the free version of the plugin from the Supsystic website or the WordPress plugin repository. Add the pro version on top, and take advantage of the 14-day free trial. Experience the full potential of your custom maps at no cost. Once downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. Upload the downloaded file, install, and activate the plugin. Setting up easy Google Maps by Supsystic is a breeze. Simply look for the plugin on the left corner of your WordPress dashboard, then click Add Map to start adding your custom map. It's that easy to bring your locations to life. You can choose your desired dimension, themes, and hundreds of map styles that fits your website's style. Be sure to save your map. This step generates the essential shortcode, allowing you to seamlessly embed your custom map on your website. Copy and paste the code, then click Preview to see the map. To wrap things up, let's do a quick recap. We covered the installation, initial setup, creating your first map, and embedding it on your website. With these basics, you're now ready to explore more advanced features of the Supsystic Google Maps plugin. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to experiment with the plugin's features to fully utilize its potential. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of your WordPress plugins.